Yep. Rain just started falling again. It's been like this for 3 days now. That's thunder. I love it. Even though it's June and July, it's supposed to be summer in the Philippines. Actually raining. Gotta be a good week today, this week. Anyway, it rains for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes to an hour. Didn't even keep track of it. At least it cools the place down. But the only problem now, if it's also rain in Manila. Because if it rains in Manila, tomorrow we have a game and it's gonna be really, really flood. So if it's flood, then it's gonna be muddy and it will be a chaotic game. I don't want to play in the mud. I don't want to play in the dust. It's a give or take thing. So anyway, tomorrow is our game at 6 p.m. So I'm just gonna go to Save More, buy some stuff, and then go home. Actually, buy chicken. I want to eat chicken. I was supposed to go to rugby game today, but I missed the car to pick up transport. Evans is picking us going there. Not only that, I thought the game will be at 6:30 in the afternoon, so the car usually pick up around, Evans or team usually pick up around 2 p.m. But the game is actually at 3 p.m. this afternoon because the ladies are having their finals. So after church, when I came out of church at around 12 midday, and Heavens already left for the field to play, so I kind of missed everything. I went up to Ricky's place to check the message since I still don't have SIM card, and Heavens said he's already on his way to the field. Now the game is at 3 p.m. Now it's 2 p.m. already, so anyway. There's Pizza are having their potluck today, end of year potluck, end of month potluck. I thought I'm going to the game, so I didn't prepare anything. I went up to Ricky and checked my messages, and Isina gave me like a lunch bag, thinking that I will go to the field. So he gave me one lunch bag from the potluck. I already have it, so they're having potluck now. I'm just gonna wait until 4 p.m. I'll just go inside for fellowship. So anyway, my weekend is like done. Just gonna go in campus and then there's a moon sunset. Good night. Moon sunset. Anyway, we just done from our potluck. I was late, not late, but I already have my lunch, so I didn't bother going to eat. I just went there for sundown fellowship. Man, this camera shadow is like ruining my shot. Anyway, I'm taking the light from the car in front of me. Yeah, anyway. Alfred. This guy is leaving for Solomon Island. I wish. We all wish we can just go home back and forth, bang bang.
Up and go.
Yeah.
Whenever we want.
Whenever we want, but we cannot afford that luxury. Yeah, but this is the sister's wedding thing. When is our wedding?
June.
Yeah, June is the wedding. The ring, we already found the ring, and now these are wedding clothes. sending it through freight. This guy is missing his big sister's wedding.
Because of lack of money.
Oi! Boy! No, we want you to calm down. In 2026, we can't even tell terrorists no more.
I'm playing Mobile Legends
Everyone is on their phone.
because Vivi is chatting with someone else.
Wow, baby. How you know that?
54.
4,000 pesos. Almost $1,000 for everything. What's the total weight?
Total weight was 60 already. Mine was 52.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So 112, 113,
That was good. Almost
115. Yeah. So 54,000 pesos for 100 plus kilos. 113 kilos of weight for freight. So it's almost 1,000 US dollars. So the cargo will go from Philippines to Papua New Guinea to Solomon Island. Anyway, this is my day for today. Was supposed to be rugby the game day vlog. I missed my bus. I'm in my pickup time and I didn't know when for sundown. Had a great fun. Sent some bags that continues the vlog from last time to this today. So anyway, that was the weekend for me. See you in the next one.